What up, lads? Let's make sweet corn and courgette fritters. We're going to need courgettes, plain flour, cumin, sweet corn. I'm gonna use this roasted garlic powder. If you don't have it, you can use fresh garlic, salt, black pepper, a lemon, spring onions, fresh parsley chopped, some fresh mint for a garnish, some olive oil. So let's start this. This is a really easy and fast recipe. On this recipe we're using specifically courgettes and sweet corn, but this is perfect. This type of recipe is perfect for any leftovers that you have in the fridge. So if you have aubergines, if you have carrots, if you have, I don't know, polenta, you can always do this type of mix and then fry them, put some sauce on the top, and easy like that, 5 minutes, you have a new dish, a new concept, a new recipe. So keep that in mind and don't throw things away. You can use this type of recipe to use these leftovers you have at home. So we'll keep our flour for the last. I'm gonna start with cumin here, sweet corn, go in there. So basically we're gonna mix everything here on the mixing bowl. We're gonna leave the flour for the last, then we're gonna add the flour, mix through, and then we're gonna fry this on the frying pan. Black pepper, generous amount because I like it. Salt. This garlic powder, I would say a teaspoon maybe. Yeah. Generous dash of olive oil. Juice of 1 lemon. I already have some chopped parsley, goes inside. Gonna slice some spring onion, very thin sliced. This is enough. And now I'm gonna grate some courgettes inside of it. And this is the only part of the courgette we're gonna throw away. All the rest is inside. Let's see if each one is enough. Give a mix and everything here. What happens here is that the courgette itself starts to release some water. So this water together with the flour, that's gonna make a stick butter. that's what's gonna hold together. Yeah, I like the way it looks. Really beautiful. Green and yellow. Brazil colors. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more of olive oil. That's it. Now I'm gonna add the flour. Mix. And the flour is gonna combine all the ingredients. So the mixture needs to be a little bit wet, okay, not that dry. So the way it is, it's okay, but you don't want it more dry than this, okay? Sometimes it can be more wet because sometimes you're gonna add more of courgettes, you're gonna have more liquid. It's okay as well. But the way it is, looks perfect. So we're gonna heat up my skillet here and I'm gonna start frying these babies. So let's start, a little bit of oil. Gonna use a spoon here just to scoop it, like that. I'm maybe gonna use my hands. Can form like a pancake or a mini burger and place on the skillet like that. Let it sit, let it sit. Don't hurry, don't rush. You can't be flipping this. You need to allow them to cook so the flour and everything is gonna get together. If you start flipping right now, they're gonna break. So when it's time to flip it, and we start to see here on the sides, they start to get dry, and you can see that if you just touch them, they're just gonna move in one piece. So then you go carefully and flip it. Let it cook. Other one, flip, flip, flip. That's the color we want. Caramelization, golden brown. So let's serve this. Gonna plate on this blackboard here. Gonna make 2 lines. So we're gonna have our fritters. Gonna put some hot sauce on the top. You can make some garlic mayo as well, or sweet and sour sauce, you can do it. Sweet chili. You can use some chimichurri as well. This recipe goes well with loads of sauces. We do like that. I have my hot sauce here. All over. Some fresh mint. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand.